Okay guys, phones away please. Alright, we are doing just like a mental math lesson. This is almost like a mental math lesson, okay? You practice this slowly. This used to be its own separate lesson, but now they don't teach it anymore. I don't know why. It's helpful. Yo, can you stop hammering the wall while I'm teaching? Okay, thank you. Okay, so our first one, I'm going to demonstrate. They are, this is a set of 3 numbers that form right triangles, okay? The first one is going to be the golden triple is 3, 4, 5. The 3, 4, 5 triangle, you already know, which means that if you have a triangle that has a side 3 and has a side 4, the third side is going to be 5. We can accept this, yes? How we apply this is when you see a ratio, a proportional ratio, which means if you have a triangle that looks like this, right? You do not have to run Pythagorean's theorem, okay? Because you can use a scale up. If I multiply each of these by 2, I will get 8, 10, and what will this one be? 6. See that? So if you look at a triangle and you are noticing, hey, this is a scale down. Yes, Ariana?
So you can use this when you don't wanna do a lot of
Yes, you will be able to spot these numbers, okay? 3, 4, 5, that means that you can have a 6, 8, 10 triangle. You can have a 12, 16, times 4, times 4, times 4, 20 triangle, right? Sometimes the math programs will just run these ones. Yes, it will become, you'll be like, why am I calculating this over and over again? I just constantly been getting 3s, 4s, and 5s. The reason is because it's a set triangle system. The other one that you will have seen in the homework and in classwork is 5, 12, 13. This one's probably more helpful. The 5, 12, 13 one is like a little one. 5, 12, 13. If you see something that looks like 10, 24, then what would this other side be?
25.
What would it be?
25.
Not 25. Times 2, times 2, times 2. 26. Close. 26.
Oh.
Okay? That's all the lesson today, okay? You're going to start spotting them.
So do you have
There is, yeah, we do have worksheets, but this is not the worksheet. This is, the third one that's harder to remember is 8, 15, 17. When you get to high school, that's the one for the SAT or standardized testing. They're gonna pretty much give you Pythagorean. Jay and Hiroto. Did you switch seats?
Yeah.
Okay. It's odd. Baby behavior. Okay, today for math, we have a selection.